Welcome back. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all.
This video is a try on all from Fashion Nova and Shein, clothes that I purchased from their website. I'm going to be giving you my honest truth about these outfits, and also I'm going to be trying them all. I'm not styling them today, but I'm going to be trying them all for you to see how they look on me. I hope you enjoy watching it.
So here is the first one that we're going to be styling. Look at this. I purchased this on Shein, and look at how beautiful it is. On the belt is the reason why I purchased this suit. So when I received it, I was like, what in the world is this? But we're going to make it work. We know on this channel, we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. And this is the second one. I want us to see the back first. Let's start with the back. Look at how the back is looking like. And this is the front. So that belt is big enough. You can adjust it to fit your waist size. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it even when I received it. I love the quality of it. It's structured blazer with a belt in the middle. The belt is detachable. You can remove it. You can wear it with or without the belt. But I feel like the fun of this type of suit is with the belt, that you actually get the fun out of it. Look at that. I love how it looks. Absolutely beautiful. So this one is from Fashion Nova. You can see that I still have the tag there. And this one is called Cover Me in Floral Shirts. The sizes range from extra small to 3 extra large, and this is really beautiful. It feels like satin material. That's how it feels, with button details on the side. It's long sleeve, and it has this of course floral pattern everywhere. You can just pick any one of these to style it up. You're going to see how I'm going to style it. And it has this design at the back right here that will give it more structure when you put it on. This particular top, I bought it just because of the style right here. You could wear this top casually. You could style it up, put blazer on top of it. You could wear it with a skirt or a pant or a jeans. I love it. I bought it for that reason, just the cutout alone. You all see how it looks on me. And I'm styling size the size I'm styling is size medium. I chose size medium because I want it to be very comfortable, and I know this kind of material can sometimes run small, so I chose size medium, and I love the way it fits on me. They have it in different sizes, so some of you might not really like this, but I love it. I like it. It's just a simple top. I mean, it's a top that I can just wear at home to film sit down video. Also, I can wear it out. You can style it up. Trust me, you can style this top up. It looked very simple, right? But it's something I know I can style up. Also, they have it in extra small to 3 extra large, and this size is size, I want to believe that this is size small. I think I removed the tag of this one. Yes, it's size small. This pant is well made. It's well made. It feels very very luxurious. It feels like something that you buy on in a website that they sell expensive outfit. This is from Fashion Nova, and look at the tailoring. It's well tailored inside and outside. You see how it looks like. I absolutely love this pants. It is a wrap style, wide leg pants, satin pants. I love it. You see how I style it on the side? You can really style it in so many ways. You can pair this with different tops that you already have in your closet. You can do it with a silk top. You could do it with any kind of top. I like it. I really. In fact, I just don't like it. I love it. What do you all think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Oh my word, look at this pants. You would think it's suede, right? But it's not. It looks like that when you're looking at it. But this pant is beautiful, well tailored, well structured pants from Fashion Nova. This one is size medium, and the sizes range from extra small to 3 extra large on their website. It has the button, it has the belt holes, it has button in here, and also it has a hidden zipper at the front. Also at the back, we have 2 non-functional pockets that are just at the back. They are non-function. Inside, it has 2 functional pockets, which I absolutely love. It's all the way down, very long. You all can see the way it looks on me. I chose it because I do not, funny enough, I have a lot of burgundy, but I don't think I have a burgundy pants. I chose this color because it's one of my favorite color too. I absolutely love it, and you all see how it looks on me, and it feels very, very light. It feels like linen material, but it's not linen. Of course, I'm very sure it's not, but it's absolutely beautiful and it's well tailored. Look at that. Everything is neatly made, very, very neatly made, very nice. Look at this shirt. I absolutely love it. How beautiful this shirt is. It's out of stock right now. This you tie it in the front just like the way it is on their website, and I'm just gonna figure out another way to style it. You all know I love to find another way to style. It's button down shirts right here. It's button, then you're going to style it in the front just like the way you're looking at it on the side. I absolutely love it, and this is size small, but they do have it from extra small to 3 extra large. They have other colors. Ladies, please do not forget to leave me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about all these outfits that are featured. Which one is your favorite? And if I'm able to find links, this is not sponsored, find links, I'll put it in the description. If not, you can go by the name that I put on the screen. Then you can search for all these outfits on their website if you are into Shein or Fashion Nova. Okay, like I mentioned from the beginning. All right, ladies, please do not forget to like this video. Please give this video a like, and please share with friends and family. Maybe they will find it entertaining or educative or informative. You never can tell. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.